bedroom's upstairs.
It's probably gone. But I've got,
Where?
I just wonder about electricity. He said, what the guy from the River told me says, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Holy shit.
Oh, I agree. I've seen the small ones, I've seen the big ones. I really did feel, I was on the phone with my brother, I said, you know, the town really should take this on stronger, because you can see everything. You smell that?
I smell it. I smelled it inside the house.
Oh, inside yours or mine?
I smelled it in my house.
The dirty window. So tell me, kids, when if that hits something.
Well, that, I mean, even empty, this could be
Hit the big one.
damaging this house.
No, but I mean, I'm wondering about a tank exploding. That's what's concerning.
Yeah.
I just remember something about we went down gas stove on a motorcycle.
Okay, this is serious. I'm going to have to start moving fast. Okay.
Yeah.
This girl, Karen, she said